In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening an app called Theme Store and tap on Home, Category or Oh My God sections in order to pick a perfect theme for you. You can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to, in my case, free. Now click on the best free theme for you. Tap on apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to buy a theme, you can also go back to the same app and to try it out before purchase, click on any of available themes. Tap on free trial at the bottom left corner and wait. Now, if you want to go back to your default theme, access the same app again. And this time tap on Me section at the bottom left corner. Then select My Resources at the top on the left. Hit Apply. Under the default theme, the first one here. And wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!